Hi guys, it's me. Today we're looking at something a little different from the usual smartphones, laptops, and flashy tech gear. This is the Apparel Design Plotter Cutter Printer. Now, that's a bit of a mouthful, but if you're in the fashion, apparel, or design space, this machine might just be your new best friend. So, here's the deal. When you hear plotter cutter printer, you might think of those chunky industrial machines sitting in the back of a print shop. And yeah, this has that kind of professional DNA, but it's actually built with apparel designers in mind. Which means it's all about precision, consistency, and efficiency. The design itself is pretty utilitarian. This isn't something you're putting in your living room for aesthetics. But the build quality is rock solid. Metal frame, clean edges, and a mechanism that's clearly built to last. The moment you switch it on, you can hear the smooth motion of the carriage and cutter head. No unnecessary rattling. No cheap plastic wobble. Just that satisfying, business sound. Now, let's talk functionality. This machine can plot, meaning it can draw out your designs with exact accuracy. It can cut, which is huge for things like vinyl transfers, stencil creation, or cutting patterns directly for heat press applications. And of course, it can print, giving you that flexibility to take a digital design from your screen and get it into the real world without multiple machines. One of the biggest selling points here is precision. If you've ever tried working with apparel graphics, you know that even a millimeter off can ruin a whole print run. This thing nails alignment. The cutter path is guided by an intelligent control system, so whether you're working with simple logos or complex layered designs, the output stays consistent. Speed-wise, it's no slouch either. A lot of plotter-cutter combos sacrifice speed for accuracy, but here it's balanced nicely. You can run batch jobs without worrying about it overheating or drifting off track. Plus, the feed rollers grip material firmly, so long prints and cuts stay exactly where you need them. Connectivity is also worth mentioning. You've got your standard USB connection for quick local control, but also compatibility with multiple file formats from popular design software. If you're a CorelDRAW, Adobe Illustrator, or CAD user, it plays nice. That means you can integrate it into an existing workflow without having to learn an entirely new system. And this is important: versatility. It works with a wide range of materials: heat transfer vinyl, flock, reflective film, even certain fabrics if prepared correctly. So whether you're creating a simple custom t-shirt for a client or producing a limited run of apparel for your own brand, this machine adapts. Of course, it's not just for apparel. You could use it for signage, decals, or even custom packaging. But its sweet spot is definitely in fashion and textile customization. Maintenance-wise, it's refreshingly low effort. The cutting blades are replaceable, the pen modules swap out quickly, and the print head is designed for long-term reliability. And yeah, like any precision tool, you want to keep it clean and dust-free, but that's basic care for any studio gear. In real-world use, the biggest compliment I can give this machine is that it just works. You set your design, load your material, and hit go. It's not fussy. It's not going to throw weird errors unless something's genuinely off. And for a production environment, that reliability is gold. So who is this for? Definitely not for someone who just wants to make the occasional custom shirt at home. This is overkill for that. But if you're running a small apparel business, a print shop, or you're a designer who needs precise, repeatable output, this is where it shines. And like always, it comes down to your workflow. If your projects demand tight tolerances, clean cuts, and professional-grade print quality all in one device, this is an investment piece. Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this Apparel Design Plotter Cutter Printer, then please visit the link provided in the description.